So we're gonna take Atlas out to get a truck wash, and before we get on the road, we wanted to test the brakes, make sure that the acceleration was good and the braking was good. So what we're gonna do is back up into this long driveway, back up as far as we can go, and then I'm gonna accelerate and then slam on the brakes. Not really slam because it's a gravel road, but make a quick stop, and then we're gonna attempt to get this thing on the highway. Alright, so it did stop as expected, so now we're gonna turn it around, point it towards the road, but backing up into the other driveway so we can check other things. Alright, so my brother is giving me some pointers, reminding me of some things. Hey, watch out for this, watch out for that. Then what he's gonna do is he's gonna get in front of me and walk towards the driveway and show me where the culvert ends. And that's just for me to have in mind where the end of the driveway is, or the edges of the driveway. Because some of it is covered in tall grass, so he's just making sure that I don't go into any of those areas. So right before we get on the highway, I'm gonna back up into this other driveway right under the trees, and now we're gonna talk about a plan. If I was to break down stuff like that, just go over everything. We'll go over everything before getting this huge vehicle on the road. Just we'll throw each other tips and reminders. Hey, did you check this? Did you go over that? Just everything that we could go over. We'll talk about it, my brothers and I, and then we'll start on the road. So that's something that I'm glad to have. My brothers are always around. They have the same passion, the same love for these coaches, and they help me out a lot. So that's what we're doing before we take off. We're at the truck wash, and we brought Atlas. We brought Atlas to wash, not the interior. We don't have time for the interior. We're gonna wash the outside. So the temperature is a little high right now. It is a hot day. So we're here waiting in line for a car wash, or a truck wash. Here in this truck stop, and this is Blue Beacon, waiting in line. So we're not supposed to take deep breaths because of this truck in front of us. Be careful, don't breathe too hard. Inhalation hazard. Really? Oh, I didn't see it. Okay, so we are washing Atlas right now. There's still the dangerous truck in front of us. Oh, they're leaving. Oh. But looks like we're gonna move forward. Okay, so we're at Buc-ee's, and we brought the bus, the white one, to the truck wash. It's a battery, and we found a battery. So anyways, they did pretty good. It looks pretty clean. Show you the back. Oh yeah, that looks good. We're gonna see the front. The front looks pretty good. And then there's a Corvette. So here we are. I don't know if you could hear me, but we came to give it a little wash, and we're headed back to the Ranchi. We also wanted to take it out and kind of roll the tires. The tires will get rotted out if you just let it sit. So we don't want that. We brought it out to roll the tires. All right, let's go. All right, so we're back from the truck wash. And what I'm doing here is I'm waiting on the other side of the road because it is a highway, and I just don't want to stop traffic. It's a 2-lane highway, and so I'll pull over on the shoulder. I'll wait over there for all cars to pass, and then I'll pull in my driveway. So that's it, guys. This was our trip. Taking Atlas to the truck wash. Come back and check out some more later on. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.